Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and Stella Bosco. So today guys, I have a remedy here which is so good in helping you if you're having colds and cough. This remedy you need to have three things. One is lemon, salt and garlic. So what you need to do, here is my garlic. I have already squeezed it. My lemon, this is my lemon. I have already squeezed it. This is the juice. I have a clove of garlic and I have a spoon of salt. Teaspoon, you put it half. What you are going to do, you are going to slice the garlic into small pieces. You can slice or you can grate. You chop it into small pieces the way you can take it without feeling it, or if you want to chew it's okay. So this is my garlic. I'm going to put it inside here. I'm going to put it inside here. I'm going to add my salt, and I'm going to put warm water. This is warm water, and it is ready to take after mixing it well. This remedy is so good, especially if you're having colds and running nose. It is so good in clearing your running nose mucus. It is so good in that. So if you're having colds and chest pains, it's better you take lemon. You mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey plus warm water, like this one, without and then you take it. You can take it morning and this one afternoon. You can try to mix this one morning, this one afternoon, and like that if you're having chest pains. If you're not having only running nose and some cold coughs, you can try and use this one. It is going to be perfect. So enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share, leave a comment down there, and be happy and be blessed. For this remedy, you'll have to take it 4 times a day, anytime you feel, 4 times a day. Or you can choose to mix with this one, you take it 2 times, and this one, the other one, you take it 2 times with honey. It is going to be perfect. Honey is so good in opening chest pains and reducing, and even helping you to have a nice breathing. So have a lovely time wherever you are, and I love you all, and be blessed. Thank you.